Guys, can someone get this dog? Who are you? We're your owner. Oh!
Hi.
What?
What? Do you mind helping me out? Give me a hand, please. I'm gonna do a little hot right here. Let me just kind of get a lay of the land here. Okay. All right, here I come. What were you doing out there?
What are you doing?
Excuse me. Just, making sure there's room for the luggage. Making sure there's space for everything. Whoop.
Oh.
Okay, we're good to go here.
Can I get a drink now?
Is that how you see what I can do?
What?
What's going on with this one?
Don't do it. No. You just saw him go in there. Why are you doing it? Oh, no, come on.
What is wrong with you, man? Me and my girlfriend trying to sleep over here.
I'm sorry, man, dude. They jump
Yeah.
scare me.
Yeah, I'm about to jump. You jump scare me. We have a problem. Let's stop real quick.
Jump scare.
Let's stop.
Wait,
Hold on real quick. Come here.
What? All right, come on. Let's go to the bathroom, dude. Come
No,
on.
not the bathroom.
Come on, dude.
Okay. Not the bathroom.
Oh, I am so sorry.
It's all right.
Are you kidding me? Are you joking with me right now?
Ma'am.
Have I done something wrong in this universe?
Maybe.
To have a baby and a dog?
I'm so sorry about her. We have no other seats available.
No,
Let me know if I can get anything for you. Headphones maybe? Noise canceling headphones.
I just hope she doesn't wake up.
Yeah, I know.
She will wake up. That's the curse of the baby!
Snacks? Beverages? Snacks? Oh, sir. Can I get you something? Water? Okay. Hey, mind if I get in my seat?
I can't get up.
Well,
The no seatbelt sign.
I mean, I gotta get in my seat.
But
was
the no
sitting here the whole
seatbelt
time.
sign's on.
Well, I'm getting in my seat. Sorry.
What are you doing? There's not enough
Getting in
room.
my seat.
Seriously?
Getting in my seat.
Seriously?
Getting in my seat.
Are you serious?
Getting in my seat. Very serious.
Here, excuse me. I need a barrier.
Hi guys, how are we doing?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yeah, I'll take a Coke, please.
great.
And I'd like a Coke as well.
Okay, sure. After him, you can wait your turn. How's your flight going so far?
It's a lot better now.
I
Thank
think I'd
you.
like that Coke right now.
Okay, yeah,
actually.
you can wait. There you
very
go.
much.
Anything's on me, so whatever you'd
Oh
like.
wow, I really
Yeah,
appreciate
of
that.
course.
Thank you.
Really like, walk away.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, no.
Girl,
Put
move
that
your
back.
foot.
It stinks.
Oh my god!
You blocked me, so I wanted to apologize in person.
What are those? What are those?
So you're done.
Done. She's
Done?
history. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, totally out of the picture.
Good.
Yeah.
How do you have a good time on our trip? Can you
Yeah.
put this up there for me, please?
No problem. Oh my god!
Why don't you ever call?
Oh,
Dad!
Is this she really clipping her toes on the plane? It's absolutely disgusting. What is with people?
Your man just went in the bathroom with another girl.
What?
Yeah.
Wait, is that your boyfriend?
Okay, jump the tip, jump the tip.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing in there? Open the door! Open the door right now! Open the door! What are you doing?
Jump the tips, okay?
Just getting his steps. That's all.
Baby, I'm getting a free haircut.
Oh my god, I thought you
I'm just getting a free haircut. You okay? Okay, I'll be there in a second, okay?
I'll give you one.
Jump the tip.
Hey, man, you need help?
Oh, I'm good, sugar. Thank you. Hold that for me. You hold that for me. You hold that for me. You hold that for me.
Sorry, this is my husband!
You guys know
You were supposed to meet. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hi. I'm sorry. I'm so pregnant, and I haven't graduated. But thank you. I'm meeting my husband in Mexico. So, is there any way I could possibly switch seats with you?
Oh, with me here?
I have no room back there, and I am so tired.
Oh, well,
I'm like stuck in between a child back there, and
I do
right now?
Wait, what's
Are
going
you
on?
serious? This is my husband.
You guys know
You were supposed to meet me in Mexico.
No, what do you mean he's your husband?
This is my husband.
What does she mean?
Hello, husband. What in the world are you doing
It's not
here?
what it looks like, baby.
Hey, can I borrow that pillow? Are you kidding me? Hold up a second. Ma'am! Are you kidding me right now?
What the hell?
What is going on right now? Are you serious?
Just woke up and she was massaging me. I don't.
Okay, back off.
If today for me, tomorrow for you. Like,
Yes, because I'm not gonna keep arguing with them. Yeah, somebody please call a flight attendant because I'm not gonna keep doing this.
Hi, what seems to be the problem here?
I just asked to switch seats just because I have a newborn and there's no room for
And
us
that's her
up there.
Oh,
Who left her?
My
Yes,
husband's up here.
and you guys are sitting separately.
yes,
Oh,
that's a good husband.
We are.
for you.
okay. Do you mind if I just do a quick ticket check for everybody? Check your
Yes,
vouchers
mine's
for those.
first class, good seats.
Okay, yep, this is your seat.
Definitely my
Absolutely.
seat.
Okay.
All right.
And you said you were back in.
I'm at 36 seat back here.
Okay. I see your ticket.
I have things in here.
I see that you're sitting there, but can I just verify?
Really? Why you making this
Babe,
complicated?
just show her your
It shouldn't be
ticket.
an issue. It's
I don't want to have any problems.
Yeah, it's already a problem with
I
me because
believe
both
you.
of y'all
I
coming
Yeah,
together.
like,
I just want to see. Okay. Oh, can you show me one more time, please?
really?
Yeah, it was
You're
really
kind of
quick.
wasting my time here. Like, we're just asking. Okay, this is the deal. We're asking this lady.
Why don't you just show her?
Yeah, I think
You like it?
show
Yeah,
her
so
your
we
ticket.
can
Just
I
show her
just-
your
trying to
ticket.
go.
I just did.
Babe, she
Okay,
didn't
the
see it.
flight
Just show her your
needs to
ticket.
Exactly. Unless you're trying to hide something. Let me find out.
Oh, okay. So actually, it appears that you're 36B, so you need
No,
to go all
look.
the way back there
Look
with
well,
your wife.
You see?
Yes, I
Wait.
can see very well.
You telling me?
Actually, you don't.
Hold
It's
on.
not your seat.
You're 36B with me? What are you doing up here?
I never been in first class. And I kind of wanted to like get.
So you left
Oh my.
me with the baby?
I was gonna bring you here if these.
But you didn't.
crazy
I
ladies
come up
would
here and
give
you said that
your
you're
shit.
Oh,
on the
me being
road.
crazy.
You've
Not
gotta be
somebody
kidding me.
lying to get in first class. I'm gonna need you to take you and your bandana and your glasses and head
That's
to the
right.
back
Lower
with your.
I can't believe you did that.
Can we
Everybody-
look?
You just left me in the back of the plane
I'm just gonna tell
with
you.
our baby.
I'm just
Don't
gonna
raise
tell
your
you.
voice.
You
You're gonna
look,
wake up the baby.
I'm just gonna tell you. You look very good to just have a baby, and
Thank you.
you might need to drop that zero and find you a
I
hero.
agree.
All right.
I'm over
Absolutely.
it.
Really?
I'm over
Yes.
it. I'm
Come on,
sorry.
crazy
I'm
lady.
sorry
Would
for
you mind
causing a
wearing your
problem
proper
with you.
seat?
I'm
You're gonna-
leaving.
Please.
You're gonna move me from my.
You're holding up the plane. I need you to move
I'm a
out.
Yeah,
rocker.
bro, move.
Can
please.
you go?
I have 2,000 followers on Instagram. Like, what's going on with you guys? Like, baby. Wait.
Unbelievable.
Wait for me.
Go sit with your wife. and
Okay,
your
okay,
child.
okay. I'm sorry.
Drop
my
the
You
zero
are-
and get with the hero.
You are so rude.
I got your Sprite for you, sir.
Oh, awesome.
There you go. Oh, I'm so
Sorry.
sorry.
Can I get a new one?
No, actually, you know what? This is perfect because I have a trick. It happens all the time on the planes, but this is actually going to prevent it.
That's
from
gonna work?
It absolutely is. You ready?
Oh my god.
There you
That's
go.
awesome.
Yeah. Enjoy.